Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alpha Tech. This video features the new WhatsApp Business app. We will be reviewing it and will provide a step-by-step guide to help create your own professional account. So, let's get right into it. Before starting, you have to select your country and enter your phone number. This will be the business number where your clients will contact you, so, if you have an official number, go ahead and enter it. A 6-digit code will be generated to verify the phone number. You can also select the Call Me option, in which the code will be given to you by a recorded voice over a call in that number. This is where the profile setup starts. Enter your business name. Once your business name is set for a specific number, it can never be changed. So, please, be careful with that. WhatsApp Business is exactly like WhatsApp except for some really cool additional features. You can edit your status privacy just like the ordinary WhatsApp account. You can set up your profile picture or your company logo. Add a small description for the public to get an insight. Can be the motto or principles or the field in which the company focuses. Now comes the exciting part. You can add your business address and also share your work location using Google Maps so that your clients can reach your workplace without calling you millions of times to help them find your office. Cool, right? You can set your business category so that people know exactly whom they are contacting and what type of services to expect. And by the way, we work as education and media partners. Business description is again the area in which the company focuses. Business schedule helps your customers know when exactly to contact you. This app propagates all the vital information to the customers regarding your company, making things very organized. Enter your email address where your customers can write to you for queries. If you have a website, mention it here. For the time being, we don't have any, so we won't put it in. Save your details and add your location if you haven't already. This is the best part. WhatsApp Business lets you create some common messages which helps in fast reply. You can create a greeting message like this. Or create short replies to save time like this. This app lets you send a message to let your clients know that you are currently unavailable. This is just getting better. You can customize your message and schedule when to send it like this. Just to enhance security, turn on the two-step verification for your profile. Select a PIN which would be asked for while registering your phone number with WhatsApp. Make sure you set a PIN which is not easy to guess. Ignore pins like 0000 or 1234 or 4321. You can even change your number or delete your account if you are done with it. This is very flexible and perfectly fits our needs. You can back up your data and choose what type of data and which drive to back up to. We will send a test message to show you it's working. This is how you can use the quick replies which you previously set up. You can even delete a wrongly sent message. For that, choose the delete for everyone option. You can add labels to messages. Either use the provided ones or create a new label and use it. So that's all, friends. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more such videos and our recently started Aptitude series.